So I cleaned up all them plugs. I gapped them all properly and put them back in, and this thing's running like a top. Got my passenger with me, Roxy. So I'm in like this super nice neighborhood now that's kind of just down from where I live, which isn't a nice neighborhood really. But yeah, this thing's running like a top. It's not missing a beat. I feel like I like to take like the sketchiest car that I have and drive through like the richest neighborhood just to scare all the white people. So this is a little cruise through the neighborhood, man, in the truck. Thing runs really smooth now. I don't know if I'll bother replacing them now. I said I was gonna, but why spend if you don't have to? So there you go. There's a free little tip. Kind of, you know, if your truck's running, you know, it doesn't have to be a truck, but if your car or truck's running kind of rough and you kind of went through everything else, pull the plugs out, because plugs don't last forever. Clean them up, throw them back in, and if they seem like they're gonna work, then that's it, you're good to go. Even though I did drop a couple of them, it didn't seem to affect them any. But this thing runs a lot better than it did. What is that? What is that? Anyway, what do you think, Rox? She don't care. She's just glad to be on cruising. So there you go, guys. Like, subscribe, and share.